Hello kids! Today our story is The Power of Positivity, a story for parents and kids. Once in a small town lived 10-year-old Anaya, a bright girl who sometimes felt discouraged. Her mother Maya noticed and decided to help Anaya grow her inner sunshine. Anaya's mother told her 10 tips for increased her inner positivity. First, Anaya's mother began starting each day with positive affirmations. Tip number 1, Anaya's mother told her every morning, "You are strong and kind." Tip number 2, she also encouraged Anaya to write a gratitude journal before bed. At school, Anaya learned to focus on effort, not just results, thanks to her teacher's praise for trying. Tip 4, at home, mother created a positivity board where her daughter posted drawings, quotes, and small victories. Tip 5, one rainy day Anaya was sad. Her mother shared her own childhood stories and how she overcame hard times. This helped Anaya understand that challenges are temporary. Tip 6, Anaya's mother encouraged to spend time outdoors and move her body even just for a walk. Tip 7, to help her see the good in others, Maya taught Anaya to say one kind thing about a friend each day. Tip 8, Anaya's mother also volunteered together at the animal shelter, showing her daughter how helping others brings joy. Tip 9, with the help of mother encouraged, Anaya also limited screen time to avoid negative content. Tip 10, over time, Anaya began to smile more, encourage her friends, and see the world with hopeful eyes. Thanks to small daily efforts, the power of positivity grew strong and lasting like sunshine after rain.